Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you how to make the Stella Bikini top using my sewing pattern. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a 4-way stretch swimwear fabric in this beautiful zebra print. I'll also use an elastic that's specifically made for the swimwear. To begin, place the 2 bikini pieces together right side facing each other and pin them along the sides and at the bottom. Sew a zigzag stitch along the bottom, then sew the elastic onto the sides of the bikini about 1 cm away from the zigzag stitch. Repeat the same steps on both sides. When sewing with a zigzag stitch at the top, make sure to leave a small gap open so we can insert the strap later. Now I'm going to trim the seam allowance so the bikini isn't too bulky. Be careful not to cut through the stitch line. You can leave the seam allowance as it is if you prefer. This step is optional. Unfortunately, my camera wasn't recording this step, but sew the elastic using a zigzag stitch onto the shoulder straps. Then use a loop turner to turn them right side out. Repeat the same steps with the second strap. Now we are going to do the same thing for the waist strap. Fold the strap in half, sew it, and then turn it inside out. Now we are going to insert the straps into the bikini. Starting from the top opening, insert the loop turner and push it through the inside until it reaches the gap we left earlier. Hook the strap onto the loop turner and pull it through so it comes out at the top. Repeat the same steps on both sides. Then pin the strap in place at the top and sew them securely using a zigzag stitch. Trim off any extra seam allowance, then gently pull on the shoulder strap to turn the bikini right side out. The corners might look a bit messy, but we can tuck them in later, so don't worry. Make sure to double check that the shoulder straps are securely attached by gently pulling on them. It's much easier to fix it now than later. Now pin the bottom of the bikini once again and sew it with 1 cm seam allowance along the bottom. Using the same method, insert the loop turner into the channel we just created and pull the waist strap through. Repeat the same steps on the right side. And that's your waist strap done. For the ends, you can either tie a knot or fold the fabric inside for a cleaner finish. And that's your bikini ready. It's super simple to make and very beginner friendly. I highly recommend you to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the rest of my bikini patterns and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!